Software provider CDK Global provides software for almost 15,000 car dealers across North America. CDK Global has been slashed with at least 8 lawsuits in federal court since a pair of cyber attacks took its dealer management service offline. This exposed the personal information of tens of thousands of people who are connected with CDK Global software system. CDK Global on Monday said that it expected to complete the recovery from its recent ransomware attack by later this week, with a projection that all car dealerships will be reconnected to its platform by 4th of July. CDK has declined to comment on media report indicating that company was planning to make a ransom payment, which is said to be worth tens of millions of dollars, with the goal of recovering its system more quickly.